Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Raquel. I'm here with a great lead from a company called Great Lakes Medical Billing, and they are hiring enrollment specialists. Now, this is a fully 100% remote opportunity, and the salary ranges from $12 to $15 an hour. The position itself is showing full-time remote, day shift, Mondays through Fridays. This opportunity has health insurance benefits, and it shows that the primary function of the EDI enrollment specialist will be enrolling new clients in both EFT and ERA for insurance payments. You'll be following up to ensure setup has been complete and documents as appropriate. Additional functions are completing bank account changes as needed, research of EFT ERA issues. You'll be following up to enroll any new insurance payers not identified at client start date, and the occasional special projects. Candidates will also be setting up clients for billing software at the clearinghouse, as well as updating the software with the appropriate payer information. The responsibilities includes essential functions and tasks, completes enrollment applications, and follows up on EDI, EFT, ERA, increases, maximizes electronic filing capability, ensures all carriers are set up via EFT, ERA, enters EFT for multiple companies into Excel workbooks, performs special projects and other duties as assigned. The qualifications includes your high school diploma or GED, at least 2 years of healthcare industry experience, at least 2 years of medical insurance and managed care experience. Knowledge, skills, and abilities includes knowledge of a variety of insurance plans, knowledge of accounting practices and procedures, strong word processing, spreadsheet, database, and presentation software skills, strong data entry skills, strong oral, written, and interpersonal communication skills, strong mathematical skills, in addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of whole numbers and fractions, computing percentages, areas, and volumes, and working with decimals. You must have strong time management skills, strong organizational skills, the ability to remain flexible and work within a collaborative and fast-paced environment, ability to communicate with diverse personalities in a tactful, mature, and professional manner. Now, guys, if you're interested in this opportunity, please go ahead and select the link in my description below. Thank you so much for watching and have yourself a wonderful day. Bye.